Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to edit the name of a sticker set on Telegram using the latest features available in 2025. Whether you want to personalize your sticker packs or just keep things organized, this quick guide will walk you through each step. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. Next, head into any chat. This can be a private conversation, a group, or even your saved messages. At the bottom of your screen, tap the emoji icon, which is usually found next to the message input field. This will open up the sticker and emoji panel, displaying all your favorite stickers and emoji options. Now, look for your sticker sets. You'll see the icons or thumbnails for each of your sticker packs at the top or in a carousel. Tap on the photo or icon of the sticker set you want to rename. This will open the full view of that sticker set. In the sticker set view, find and tap the Edit button. This is usually represented by a pencil icon or the word Edit in the corner of the screen. Once you're in edit mode, look for the three dots menu typically in the top right corner. Tap on these three dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Edit Name. You'll now be able to type in a new name for your sticker set. Enter your desired name, something fun, descriptive, or just easier to remember. Once you've finished editing the name, tap Done or the checkmark to save your changes. Your sticker set will now appear with its new name across all your chats and devices. That's it. You've successfully updated the name of your Telegram sticker set. This simple process helps you keep your sticker collection organized and uniquely yours. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out our other guides for more Telegram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and enjoy customizing your stickers.